If you want to know how to find the best stocks to invest in, stick around and let's go through all my best ideas. Hi, this is Fabi from The Next Big Rush, where we talk about growing your wealth through smart investing. If that's you, then hit the subscribe button and the little bell next to it so that you won't miss any of my videos. Some of the best are still yet to come, so stick around. For today, I want to tell you two of my best strategies to find stocks to invest in. Now, some of these strategies will work better than others. I will give you all of my strategies. I'm not going to hide anything whatsoever, but I am going to deliver it to you in a series of videos. So this is video number one. I am going to give you two very powerful ways of finding stocks, some of which, in my case, have lost me a lot of money. So disclaimer, some of which have gone to make me over 1,000% returns. So how do we do that? What are the two things that you should do before actually going out and investing your money, just as a starting point if you're feeling a little bit lost on what you should put your money to? So you should have decided by now if you are a short-term trader or a longer-term or deep value investment speculator or investor, okay? I'm not going to go into the differences between those two things right now. But I have to say, if you're a day trader, then you need stock screeners. You need to follow people who do something different to what I do. I've tried stock trading short term. Didn't really work out for me. So what I do is very long-term investing, very deep value plays, and things that are today extremely out of favor, so that in maybe 12 months to 36 months to maybe a little bit longer than that, I hope to see gains of minimum 300% on my investments. And that's why I'm willing to wait. Maybe you're not. Maybe you want to make $1 million tomorrow. Sorry, I can't help you with that. So strategy number one is to go on Google and hold up, because this is gonna make sense in a little while. You go there and you search for terms that have something to do with what you already want to invest. For example, I'm into uranium investing right now. So I'm gonna go on Google and type how to invest in uranium if I'm completely clueless. And even better, if you can be more specific, I can type in top uranium stocks or undervalued uranium stocks 2018 or whatever year. Now wait, that's just the beginning. Searching will bring you a lot of different options, but that's not the key here. The key here is that, yes, although you will find some very good articles and maybe some videos on the topic that you're looking for, something else that most people don't talk about is that Google will look at your search terms and then it will target you for ads of those companies or services related to those companies in the future. So what do I mean by that? I search for great gold stocks or top gold stocks or something like that, and now I'm getting ads by gold companies that weren't really on my radar, with Google AdSense ads that follow me around everywhere I go online. Now granted, not all of those companies are amazing, but at least one of the ones that I've seen are a top-notch, going to be $1 billion company. Some of them will be really great, because if you have a stock where the management is not willing to promote it at all, nobody knows the story, maybe it's not such a good stock after all. So once you give out the signals of what you're looking for to Google by visiting a few websites, especially relating to investing, you will find banners and ads of similar companies. I think that's pretty cool. So that's idea number one. Idea number two will take a little bit more work, but it's totally worth it, I promise. So you take those companies, those stocks that have performed very well for you, and if the fundamental story or not, or if just the stock has performed very well, you're going to go onto Bloomberg and you're going to search for the management of that company and see what other stocks they're involved in. So basically go to the website of a company that you're a fan of, go and take a look at the management team, search for those names, especially the ones that matter the most. Chairman, CEO, COO, head geologist, CMO, CTO. All you have to do is grab their name, throw it on Google, and put the word Bloomberg right next to it. So when you do that, it's gonna bring up a list of all the other companies that they have been involved in the past, and also the stocks that they are involved in right now. By the way, the best kept secret is to actually find out who are the top financiers of the company, not just management, but the people actually putting the biggest chunk of money behind those people, and follow them. See where else they're putting their money in. The truth is, the top guys, the top financiers in any business, they get it right more often than they get it wrong. And even if their numbers are out of whack for a period of time, in the long run, they outmake more money than you, if that makes any sense. They will make a lot more money than you, and by following them and maybe making some investments with them, there's a lot of opportunity to be had. Especially when you see the name of a company that's associated with these financiers and you don't see a lot of marketing or chatter around those specific companies. I love that kind of stealth stock that's probably going to develop in the future, but nobody knows about it yet. Now, the cool thing about this last tip is that when you search on Bloomberg for what other companies that people have been involved in, you'll find that some of the past companies of the people that you're currently invested in have kind of a shady past. You know, companies that went bankrupt, companies that went to zero, companies that failed in ways they shouldn't have, fraudulent stocks, management that diluted their way out of significance. Look for those warning signs because it's your money, and you need to know that if you invest in people who are not serious about guarding your investment, you might as well just send over your money to me or give your money to charity. I've been able to dodge major bullets just by looking at whatever other stocks management has been involved in, and I think you will too. So let's get to work. These are 2 of my first tips. I have maybe about 10 of them. They are coming in the next few videos. So if you like this video, hit like and subscribe because there's a lot more coming your way. Wait, before you go, question of the day. Comment below. Which strategy are you going to try out first? The Google strategy or the Bloomberg strategy? Let me know in the comments below. Take care. Bye-bye. Ay, ay.